you have an idea for an online course or a membership and you want to launch, but what platform should I choose? Should I go with Teachable? Should I go with Kajabi? Should I go with ThriveCart? Which one should I go with? I personally have used Teachable and ThriveCart to host online courses and memberships and even coaching programs. And I'm going to tell you the good things, the bad things about both of these platforms. We're going to go over pricing, all of that. I think that there's definitely a winner, at least in my opinion, on which one is better, but there are definitely pros and cons to each. And there are some features that I like in one that I don't like in the other and vice versa. So we're going to go over all of it. Now, jumping right in, we're going to talk about pricing because I feel like that is very important and we don't want to wait until the end of the video for that. So pricing, and I have links to both of these down below in the description box for you that can help get you some discounts. So first we're going to look at ThriveCart, and ThriveCart, one of the things that I love about them is that they are lifetime pricing. So what that means is it's a one-time payment and that's it. There's no monthly, there's no annual. I have saved so much money by switching over to ThriveCart. So spoiler alert, I used to be on Teachable. Now I have migrated my courses over to ThriveCart. And I've saved so much money by doing that. So if you do lifetime access, you are going to get a ridiculous discount. Typically, the ThriveCart lifetime account is $2,000. $1,995. You can get it for $495, which is amazing. They also do have Pro, which you can upgrade as well. I personally upgraded to Pro, so you can get it for $690 lifetime, which is amazing. That is going to save you so much money. This also includes affiliates. This also includes having all the tax stuff ready for you, subscription saver, contracts for affiliates and usage rights, advanced user management. There's so much that you can do with it. So $690 for lifetime with Pro, which is amazing. And that is through ThriveCart. Okay, now let's look at Teachable. So Teachable is a different pricing model. And they do have a special right now for 15% off if you use my link. So there's different promotions at different times. At the time of this recording, they have 15% off any plan right now as well. So which is amazing. But with Teachable, they have 4 different options. So they have free, basic, pro, and pro plus. So the free plan is only if you are launching a course that is free, or if you are launching a course, but you want to build the course and all of that stuff and have it all ready to go and not have to pay for it before it goes live. So sometimes like with basic or pro, you're paying for it as soon as you start, as soon as you sign up, whereas maybe it's going to take you a month or 2 to get all the lessons uploaded and all of that. And then with the free plan, you're not paying for it until that time. So you can start with the free and then you can upgrade as you go, which is a great option. And that's what I recommend for any of these. I recommend starting with the free and then you can upgrade from there. Now, they do have the basic, which is $39 a month if you bill annually. So all of these are if you do annually. If you do monthly, it's going to be $59 a month. So I definitely recommend doing the annual, but $39 a month if you bill annually. But with that, you have to pay the 5% transaction fee. You can only publish 5 different products. So 5 different courses or different things like that, or coaching, different things. Now, sometimes you're like, 5 courses, that's a lot, but there are some instances where you may want to have the same course duplicated. If you're doing a tripwire or something like that, I have one course that I've duplicated in the past, and so I would take up 2 courses because of tripwires and stuff. So with this, you can do integrated email marketing, coupon, order bumps, custom domains, all of that. Or you can do the Pro, which the Pro is going to be $119 a month, but it's going to save you in transaction fees. It's going to be 0% transaction fee. With this, you can have 50 products and affiliate marketing, which is helpful. And you can have affiliates promote your course. So a lot of times you'll have past students promote it, whereas you can't do that with Teachable. Now, you can, if you want to keep on Teachable, you can actually do the basic plan plus do the affiliates through ThriveCart. I know so many people that love the ThriveCart exclusively for the affiliates, and then they have their course on another platform. So that's an option as well. And then you get live chat support, upsells, order increases, all of that. And then you can also do the Pro Plus, which is $199 a month. So that you can have 200 courses, 200 coaching products, 200 digital downloads, bundles, all of that. So those are the pricing models with them. Now, I do have links down below in the description. If you use my links, they are affiliate links. This isn't sponsored, but I do get a small kickback if you use my links. So I would really appreciate it. Helps feed me and my family, and helps that I can make content like this. I do also have a free ThriveCart course. I'm going to be building a Teachable course as well, but right now I just have the ThriveCart course, and this walks you through how to set up ThriveCart, how to use it, and all behind the scenes of it. So it is a completely free course. It'll be linked for you down below in the description, but it has click by click, like over the shoulder type of videos that you can see exactly what to do in ThriveCart. It has in-depth strategy of marketing a course, how to price a course, how to sell a course, all of that in-depth type of lessons, and then also a PDF tech guide. So giving you all the tech ideas and tech requirements that you're going to need for your online course and also online business as well, a full tech guide for you. So you can enroll for free, which is awesome. So I'll have all of that linked down below in the description. So that is pricing. So honestly, for me, the winner in this one is ThriveCart with the one-time payment fee. Now, Teachable, it looks cheaper, it looks great, but over time, after a year, you're going to be paying for that. Previously, I was on the Pro plan, so I was paying, I think like, and I even got on like a Black Friday sale, but I was paying like $1,200 a year, and I was like, this is a lot. In 1 year, I'm going to be paying almost half of that in ThriveCart. So definitely recommend going with ThriveCart in terms of pricing. Next up is sales pages. Now, sales pages is, this is an interesting one. I think that ThriveCart has better sales page templates. They have these beautiful templates that you can create in ThriveCart, and they are just gorgeous and look so professional. I love that they are the full page. For a while, the templates before were only part of the page, so they looked amazing on mobile, but on desktop, it looked really awkward because it's only right in the middle of the page. Now they have these full page templates, which are beautiful. But one thing I don't like about this is you can only have one sales page or one checkout for a course or for a product. Now, I personally do a lot of webinars to promote my courses. So when I'm doing a webinar, what I like to do is in the webinar, I like to send them directly to the checkout page, which does have testimonials and some information about the course, but it's not my full long sales page. And then in the emails, I like to send them directly to the sales page because they may not have attended the webinar, but in the emails, that way they can get more information about the course. Now, in ThriveCart, I can't do that with the way that it's traditionally set up because you can have a sales page that has the checkout built into the same sales page, or you can do it goes to another page, but you can't have two separate pages. I have found a workaround where you duplicate the course, you duplicate the product, and you can do it that way. And so you have one just for the cart and one just for the sales page, but it is another thing that you have to manage, and it is one extra step, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. There's a workaround. With Teachable, they have great sales pages as well. It is not, they don't have the beautiful templates like ThriveCart does. It's very drag and drop. So there's no coding required or anything like that. And you just, you need a header, you drag in a header. You want an image, you drag in an image. You want a video, you drag in a video. You want testimonials, you drag in the box for testimonials. So it's very user-friendly. It's very drag and drop, no coding needed or anything like that, but it's not as pretty. And I don't know, I don't like that as much. But it is something that you can have those multiple sales pages and different things like that, which is a great option if you want to do the thing of the checkout pages, or if you want to do a tripwires, different things like that, you can do that in Teachable. So for this one, this is a tough one because of the multiple checkout pages and stuff, but with the templates, I still think that ThriveCart wins on this one. Next is hosting content. So when you are having your course, you are most likely going to have content that you're uploading, unless you're doing a blog written style course, which I've actually bought those courses and they're great as well. But if you're hosting a course with video or PDF downloads, anything like that, Excel spreadsheets, anything like that, then in ThriveCart, you need to use a third-party company to host your items, your videos, your files, and then embed them into ThriveCart. So with this, you can use Vimeo, you can use YouTube, you can use Dropbox, you can use your website, different things like that, and then just embed the files right in. And it looks great for the user experience, but as the creator, it is one additional step for you. Whereas with Teachable, you can upload your content, you can upload your video files, and they can host your video files right within the platform. So with this one, Teachable wins. Next is number of courses. So as we saw with Teachable, you can get only 5 courses or unlimited courses depending on which plan that you choose with Teachable. But with ThriveCart, it's an unlimited amount of courses that you can host. They actually have their own hosting part of the platform. So there is ThriveCart Learn, which is where your actual courses are hosted. And then there's the other parts of ThriveCart, which is where you build the sales page and where you do the analytics and the dashboard and all of that. I go over all of this in my ThriveCart course. So definitely sign up for the course if you're looking to get into ThriveCart. Definitely go through it all. And I have some videos as well in the description. But I love that ThriveCart is unlimited amount of courses that you can create right in there. And then with Teachable, it depends on what plan you choose, if it is 5 courses or 20 courses or unlimited. So with this one, ThriveCart wins. Next is integration with popular tools. So both platforms integrate with a ton of other platforms. So they integrate with MailChimp, they integrate with Zapier, they integrate with all of these other awesome platforms, which is really, really helpful. I personally do my email marketing with Flowdesk, so I do have to use Zapier to do it with both with Teachable and with ThriveCart. I have to use Zapier. It doesn't have direct integration with Flowdesk, my email marketing, but if you use ConvertKit, if you use MailChimp, you can do it right within the platform. So both platforms have a ton of integrations, which is really helpful. So on this one, it's a tie. They both win. Next one is student analytics. So do you want to see how far your students are actually completing the course? Are they going through it? Are they liking it? You can see analytics on both courses. Now, Teachable is more detailed in the analytics. You can see exactly what modules they have completed. And ThriveCart, it doesn't give you that much detail, but it does tell you what percentage of the course they've completed. So if they completed 100 course, you know that they've gone 100% of the course, you know they've gone through the whole thing. But if they've completed 20%, you don't know which videos they went through because they can skip around. But with ThriveCart, you can see some analytics, but not as much with Teachable. You can also do completion certificates right in Teachable as well, which is a really cool feature. So in this one, Teachable wins. Let's talk about affiliates. So this is affiliates promoting your course. In Teachable, you can have affiliates if you have the pro version or higher. So $119 a month or higher, you can have affiliates. With this, it's pretty basic. They set up an affiliate link. They can track their affiliates right in there. They can grab their link in there. They can see how many signups they have. They can see when they're going to get paid next, but it's pretty basic. In ThriveCart, you can have it affiliates if you have the pro plan, and you can have so much stuff in there. It's so cool. So you can have marketing materials for them. You can upload images. You can upload swipe copies, all these different stuff. You can even make it so that if you have any lead magnets, then you can put a cookie on that. So for instance, with me, with my affiliates, I have 3 different links that they can share at any time. They can share the link to my direct course and get a 30% commission on that. You can set up a link for my lead magnet, which is my free printable download. And then if someone downloads that and like say you refer them, they download that and then a month later they buy the course, you're going to get the affiliate or to my free webinar class. So I can set up any link that if your person clicks on that link and then they buy within a certain period of time, then you're going to get the affiliate credit, which is awesome. And you have total customization that you can say, okay, I want my affiliates to have a 30-day cookie or a 60-day cookie or a 90 or a 365 or a lifetime cookie. You can customize it however you want. And you can also say what percentage. This is both for Teachable and with ThriveCart. With both of them, you can say what percentage of affiliate you want to give. So if you want to give a 30% affiliate or 20% or 40% or 50 or whatever percentage, you can do that right in both platforms as well, which is super helpful. But with the customization of the promo materials and the links that you can do, I definitely think ThriveCart wins on this one. Next is flexibility in releasing your content. So this is a really cool feature. So with ThriveCart, you can drip out your content and you can say, okay, I am going to make all of my course public as soon as they enroll. So as soon as they sign up, they get full access to the course. Okay, that's great. Or what you can do is you can say on the first of every month, I'm releasing these lessons, or on the second or whatever day of the month, I'm releasing these lessons. And so that way maybe they get a welcome module, and then after 30 days or on the first of the next month, they get another module, and then the first of next month, they get another module, and then the first next month, they get another module. This would be great if you have a monthly membership where every month you're releasing a new module to them, then this would be perfect. Or you could even do it as days after they enroll. So if you want to do after 5 days after they enroll, they get this content. Then 30 days after they enroll, they get this content. And then 60 days, they get this content. So you can do that. So that way it's specific to when they enroll, and it's different for every customer. Every student is going to be different. So this is a really, really cool feature of ThriveCart, and you can have it automated. And also with this, you can do it so you can drip out your content, so that way maybe you are doing a launch and you are kind of filming as you go, you're doing pre-sales. This is a great option for you as well. Or with Teachable, they don't have this option. So you can have it draft where it's not public, or publish public. So if you're doing the launch method where you are kind of filming as you go with a pre-sale, you can have it live and then you can upload and then publish it and then upload and publish it. You can have that option, but there isn't an option to schedule it out at a specific day of the week, specific day of the month, or day after enrollment. So for this one, ThriveCart wins. The next thing that ThriveCart has, that Teachable doesn't even have this, so we're just going to talk about ThriveCart, and this one is upsells, downsells, and order bumps. And these can increase your sales so much. So what this is an order bump. We're going to start with the order bump. So order bump is they have checked out, they're going to check out, and they have the offer there of what your course is or what you're selling is. And then there's a little box that says, would you like to add on for $7 or $17 or $29? Typically, it's quite a bit cheaper than what your initial product is. And this is supposed to be a no-brainer where they're like, you know what? Yeah, we're already spending $200 in a course. What's another $27? Sure, let's just add it. And that would be an order bump. And that is something that you can have on all of your checkout pages and all of your sales pages. So that's an order bump. Then what you can also do is upsells and downsells. So say we have our course and we have our order bump. Then what we can do is we can try and upsell them. So we may have a higher tier course, or we may have an upsell of a coaching program on top of the course, or a membership on top of the course. So we have our course, our bump, and then we want to also add on a membership, a monthly membership, and that is going to be an additional $200 a month. And so they can do that. Now, maybe they decline that. Maybe they're like, nope, I do not want to add that to my order. Then you can do a downsell, and you can say, okay, you don't want the membership, but would you like this other mini course that I've created that's $97? And they're like, yeah, you know what? That's not the $200 a month. I can do the $97 a month, or the $97 one-time mini course. So you can do this, and you can have up to 5 upsells and downsells, which is amazing. You don't have to do them, but it is an option, and this is a great way to increase sales and get more traction. So this is great if you have these other products that you want to put in front of them, but you don't want to just be like jam-packing them with all these products on a website or something. You can have them all built in, so it's automatically going to be flowing them through it and hopefully getting a lot more sales. So this is an amazing feature that ThriveCart has. Teachable doesn't have this, so this one obviously wins for ThriveCart. So these are the big differences with ThriveCart and Teachable. Let me know what you guys like on each platform. Let me know if you have any questions on each platform. I would love to make other videos for you. I'm always taking suggestions or requests for videos. Don't forget to sign up for either ThriveCart or Teachable down below in the description. Get your free ThriveCart course. And if you want to know what topic I should do for a course, I want to do a course, but I don't know exactly what topic I should do, check out this video here.